Hey guys, it's Dave with Driven to Detail. Today I'm out here working on my truck today. I just got a new toy. Thought I'd share with you guys. Special shout out to Brian of Apex Detail for sharing the videos that he had. Plus Scott from Dallas Mobile down there in Texas for even bringing it to our attention. It is a great product for any guy that does rinseless washing, mobile detailing, or just want a quick way to clean your truck on the weekends. This is a perfect machine. It's the Krause and Becker paintless air sprayer from Harbor Freight. It retails for like $209, but with a coupon I got mine for around $170. I want to show you how it works well on the wheels. I got my wheel here. It's been probably over a month or so since I've cleaned it. What I like to do, I have a Tide mixture, thanks to Brian from Apex Detail again for sharing that secret with us. Now, what I like to do is use it on the wheels. Simply just soak it in there. Take your wire brush, get everything looking good. Then I got my long brush, and I like to do that in between the wheel spokes and everything. Make sure you get a good coverage of the Tide to break down all the brake dust and all the dirt. It is a very, very good product, guys. And then you take your Krause and Becker paint sprayer. Microfiber. And that's it. You're done. If you'd like more information about this, just give me a call at 828-403-0395. Or if you need to get your car detailed, give us a look on the web at driven2detail.com. Till then, stay driven, drive clean. Talk to you soon.